cute. Before Christmas, I found this plant at Lowe's and I wanted it so bad. I said all I want for Christmas was a Christmas cactus, this one, and then one other one. I'll link the picture next to it. But it was $15-20 and I couldn't justify it. Came into Lowe's today to get some wood and she's half dead, but she got marked down to $3. And I will nurse her back to life. This side, it has new growth coming in, but I am so excited that the $20 plant I wanted, it's got new growth coming in. It's gonna take some while, but some love. I will get her back to her beautiful glory. I'm so excited. Happy New Year to me. I cannot wait. I have to come up with a good name. Just wanted to share. I'm excited. Huh? I'm not in the way. Those are for the boyo shelf? Those two little end pieces?
Yeah.
So you'll use one of the bigger ones?
Yeah.
The other two are for me?
Yeah.
And then those two will make the ends?
Yeah.
That's cute. He will be a very excited boy.
If I can get away with that piece in the middle, but I think the PlayStation's bigger than that.
Oh, that's cool though, because then I can move all the games to his room and I can get him out of that brown thing.
Yeah.
And then I have more storage space.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Very cool.